You have a powerful message you'd like to share with the world, but you're doing a terrible job filming yourself. We're here to help make sure you're looking and feeling your best. Here are 5 simple steps to improve your remote video recording game. Let's begin. Step 1. Picking a good background. You want visual interest in your background, but not so much that it's distracting. You also don't want it to be plain. Choose something in between. If you're having trouble deciding, one of our producers will be on hand via webcam to help choose. At this point, they're getting used to touring people's homes. Step 2. Setting up. You want to set your camera at eye level. If you don't have a tripod, you can accomplish this with anything sturdy. A windowsill, stack of books, you name it. You also want to position your phone about an arm's length away from you. Step 3. Lighting. The easiest way to make sure your shot is bright enough is to use natural light from your window. Make sure that it illuminates your face and is not behind you. If it's dark, you can use a lamp to brighten things up. Step 4. Cleaning your camera lens. Cleaning your camera lens is extremely important, and sanitizing your phone's a good practice in general. Keep it clean. Step 5. Camera settings. The last step is to make sure you pick a high-quality resolution in your camera settings. We'll probably ask you to send us a quick test file to check the shot and the audio, and from there we can walk you through any last-minute adjustments.